components are damaged, a skilled mechanic can efficiently repair them. For example, if a car's hub and brake drum tawa are broken, the mechanic first uses a bolt machine to loosen the nuts. Once the nuts are removed, the damaged parts are carefully taken out. Using advanced tools, the mechanic easily removes and replaces the necessary components. A professional mechanic not only completes the job quickly but also ensures that the vehicle runs smoothly again. If you ever find yourself stranded due to a vehicle breakdown, don't hesitate to contact our mechanical service. Our expert mechanics will arrive promptly to assist you. Get in touch with us via the WhatsApp number provided below and experience top quality service. For more videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel.